Hello guys, welcome back to another class. Simplify log 98. 7 minus log 30 plus log 15. So, solution. So whenever you see question like this, so what the question is telling you, what you are going to do first is to multiply. Let me show you how to do it. Solution. So you have log, you write log base 7, right? So 7, then open your bracket. This is 98 divided by 30, then multiply by 15, close your bracket. Let me write it big. So you have also this minus, and this another plus, you change it to multiplication. So open your bracket, multiply by 15, right? Close your bracket. Then you have 98 divided by 30, it will give you 0 point something, and then when you multiply it, it must give you 49. You have log 49 percent. Then we have, now let's now convert it to power. Let's convert 49 into power. So when we convert it to power, we have 7 times 7 give you 49. So you have log 7 raised to power 2. So then look at this power 2. So you have to take it to this side, bring it to this side like this. So you have 2 log 7. So now log 7 will give you 1. So we have 2 multiplied by 1. Your final answer is 2. So that is your final answer. That's how you are going to solve it. Don't confuse yourself. Thank you for learning with me today. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.